Hey, welcome back to No Grandma Glamour. I've been on this piano for maybe 30 minutes or more, trying to get my lesson in. This piano thing is not easy. Reading these notes is not easy. It's like reading the notes, they right there, and the keys and the C, D, E, F, and your fingers. And I mean, it's a lot. It's much harder than what I remembered because for my piano lessons, when Sister Gibson was giving me my lessons, it was by ear because she was blind. So now I have to read the music and hit the key the book is telling me to hit. And it's kind of hard for me. But you guys gonna do this journey with me from the beginning to the middle to the end. If there's a middle, as far as this piano business, I'm gonna stick with it. This is something I love. I have pianos all through my house. My husband is a music producer. For you guys who don't know, his music is all type of social media like Spotify and stuff like that. Which, matter of fact, I'm gonna get the information, just log everything down for you guys if you want to check out his music. But yeah, so this is where I'm at in my music and makeup. So until we see each other again, no grandma, grandma.